Boil some water. Add a little oil and salt. Blanch the lettuce for 15 seconds, then take it out and place on a plate. In a bowl, mix oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sugar and cornstarch with some water. Heat some oil, fry the garlic until fragrant. Pour in the sauce and cook until thick and smooth. Pour the sauce over the lettuce. Simple, fresh, and delicious. Fresh shrimp arranged in a pot. Place a small bowl with soy sauce, ginger, scallions, and a spoonful of lard in the center. Steam for 6 minutes after the water boils. Remove ginger and scallions. Add sugar, then mix with scallions, garlic, and chili. The shrimp is tender, bouncy, and delicious. Peel the sweet potato and slice it thin. Boil for 3 minutes. Drain and put into a baking dish. Mix 2 eggs, 150 ml milk, and a little sugar. Pour over the sweet potato. Air fry at 175 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Creamy and sweet baked sweet potato is ready. Enjoy! This minced pork and potato dish goes perfectly with rice. Peel the potato and cut it into small, even cubes. Fry the potatoes until golden brown and tender, then set aside. Cook the minced pork until browned. Add ginger, scallion, cooking wine, and light soy sauce. Add the potatoes and season with salt, chicken powder, and oyster sauce. Thicken with starch water, then sprinkle with chopped scallions. Simple, delicious, and perfect with rice. Give it a go. Start with a few slices of pork collar. Sear until golden brown on both sides. Add the ingredients shown on the screen, then drizzle with some cooking wine. Add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Pour in enough hot water to cover the meat. Cover and simmer on low heat for 30 minutes. Uncover and thicken the sauce over high heat. This pork collar version of braised pork is ready. Simple and delicious. Here's a simple tofu recipe you love. Heat some oil in a wok. Stir-fry the garlic and green onion until fragrant. Then brown the marinated pork. Set it aside. Add the soft tofu. Break it into pieces. Pour in the egg and let it set. Add the pork back in. Pour in the sauce and simmer for 2 minutes. Garnish with green onion. This tofu is so flavorful and goes great with rice. Give it a go.